Do you know, YouTube takes into consideration the location from which you upload your video. For instance, if you upload a video from Dubai, you're likely to attract viewers from Dubai, and the same goes for other location. This is because when YouTube promotes a video, they use data related to the creator's information, including their location. Therefore, the country from which you upload your video is indeed crucial. If you're not located in Europe or US, don't worry. You can easily use a VPN, virtual private network, to upload your videos from a European location. YouTube generally doesn't consider this as spam. So friends, I have revealed all the secrets to achieve my YouTube cash cow journey. I believe that with dedication and the right strategies, you can definitely find success on your channel too. If you have any questions or need help managing your channel, feel free to reach out to me. Best of luck on your journey with the Cash Cow channel.